Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into your Genshin Impact account. So if you want to play really amazing anime themed games, you have to sign up to Genshin Impact account. And if you're wondering how you can log in back to the account if you've been logged out of the account, this is the video where I'm going to show you how to do that. For this, first of all, head over to your web browser. And then on your web browser, on the search bar, make sure that you've typed in genshin.mihoyo.com. Then you will land on an interface that looks pretty much like this. After which, you can see that on the top right corner, there are 3 horizontal lines, so tap on it. And then you can see an option that says login. Tap on login. As soon as you tap on login, you will be asked to use your username or email and then your password. So type in the email or the username that you used in order to sign up for the account. So here I'm just gonna type in my email and then also type in your password. So I'm also gonna type in my password and then tap on done and then tap on login. So here it is asked me to slide to complete the puzzle just so that they get verified that I am not a robot. And then after the verification succeeds and you tap on the 3 horizontal lines, you can see that on the bottom side, there's no more a login option, but rather your email address appears here. So this is basically how easily you can log into your Genshin Impact account. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to let us know in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.